Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino, and the number of the day is the number 10. Today we'll be recording lots of ways that we can show the number 10. If you'd like, you could grab a whiteboard and a marker and draw along with me. Or maybe you'd prefer to watch first and then have a go later. So, let's get learning! 10 is awesome, everyone knows. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. Counting by tens, what a fun thing to do. I love learning with 10. What about you? Have a guess which number I've been on the lookout for this week. I've been a maths detective searching for the number 10. And guess what? I found 10 everywhere. Check out some of the places where I found 10. Can you see 10 on this street sign? This tells drivers the speed they can drive. What's the time on the clock? It's 10 o'clock. Check out this display. Let's have a closer look for 10. Does this remind you of a maths tool we use? It's just like a 10 frame. And where is this car parked? In parking spot 10. Become a maths detective yourself this week, and wherever you go, look out for the number 10. Today, let's see how many ways we can show and record the number 10. Starting with this way. That's right, the numeral 10. Do you notice something different about 10 than the other numbers we've already seen? 10 doesn't have just one digit. We write 10 with two digits, a 1 and a 0. Okay everyone, fingers up, let's write the number 10 in the air. Start with 1 and then 0. 1 and 0, 10. I'm going to write this numeral on the board. Two digits for the number 10, a 1 and a 0. Now we can write the numeral for 10, and we can also write the word that says 10. Watch as I write the word on the board. We spell 10 like this. T-E-N. 10. I'm sure you know this way to show the number 10. Yes, on dice. We'll need two dice to show 10, of course. Now if this die shows this number, 6, how many does this die need to show? How many more? We've already got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 more. Say stop when you see 4. Stop! Is that right? Yes, it is. Let's check if 6 and 4 makes 10. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we found two numbers that make 10 on our dice. I'm going to record this on the board. I'll start by drawing my two squares on my board to be the dice face. 1, 2, and now I'll need to draw 6 dots on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 4 on this face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay everyone, get those hands up, ready to become flashing lights. Let's give 10 light flashes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and now let's cross our arms, ready for 10 shoulder taps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. All right, well now, what's another way that we could show the number 10? How about on a 10 frame? That's right. Now everyone, fingers up. You can draw a 10 frame in the air while I draw mine on my board. Here we go. As always, we start our 10 frame with a nice big rectangle like this. And then our next step, we draw a horizontal line through the middle, like this. And then of course, how many lines going down? 4. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trying to keep those spaces equal. What will 10 look like on a 10 frame? It's pretty clear, isn't it? We know that 10 on a 10 frame is a full 10 frame. Count with me as we fill our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have our full 10 frame showing 10. Another way we could show 10 is on our fingers. Come on everyone, hands up, let's show 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have just enough fingers on our hands to show 10. All right, I'm going to show this on my board. Well, I know how much we love building with blocks, so let's build a block tower that's 10 blocks tall. Count with me as we build. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. A nice long block tower made of 10 blocks. I'll place this on my board too. What's another way that we could represent 10? How about as a picture? I wonder what picture you'll draw to show the number 10. Today, I'd like to draw a flower that shows 10. And I'll show the number 10 with the number of petals I draw. Watch carefully. Here's the center of our beautiful flower and count the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 petals for our 10 flower. Beautiful. Well, we still have more space on our board for more ways to show 10. So let's show 10 as tally marks. And you remember the tally marks, right? They're those lines that go down and then we go 5 across to show a group of 5. Now, have a think about the number 10. And now, remember how we showed 10 on our fingers? It actually showed 2 groups of 5, 1 on each hand. So have a think, what will 10 look like as tally marks? Fingers up everyone, let's find out. Trace them in the air while I draw them on my board. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm about to make another group of 5, so 10 needs to go across. 10. Now, as you know, bigger numbers are made up of smaller numbers. So let's have a look. This 10 frame is full. It shows 10. But what if we swap these 3 red counters for 3 yellow counters? we still have a full 10 frame showing 10, but this time it shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3. So 7 and 3 make 10. I hope you've been having fun playing with dominoes. Look what I found on a domino this week. 7 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 and 3 makes 10. That's perfect for my board. So, I'll draw my domino rectangle like this. And then of course, a line down the middle. And I'll draw 7 dots on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. And this shows 7 and 3. Now, 7 and 3 are not the only two numbers that can make 10. Have another look at the board. See if you can find 2 other numbers that can make 10. Can you see some other numbers that combine to make 10 on our board? Can you think of 2 other numbers that can make 10? Maybe you could even think of 3 numbers that could make 10. Well, now I'd like to show you one more way to show 10, and of course that's with our number line. Okay everyone, I'm going to point to the numbers as we count to 10, starting from 0. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's try it again, but this time I will draw the steps as we go. Are we ready to count? Starting from 0, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it! We made it to our number of the day. Wow, look at all the ways that we've shown 10. Well, now it's your turn to grab a pencil and paper or whiteboard and marker and show all the ways that you can represent 10. You might like to use some of the ideas we've shared today, or you might have some ideas of your own. And of course, math detectives, don't forget to keep a sharp lookout for the number 10 wherever you go this week. Happy learning and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.